Everyone good? Alright, let's get it going. Face this way for me. That's it. So, having your arms straight and relax. Arms straight and relax. Arms straight and relax. Yeah? Good. So, out, wave, shoulders, elbows, wrist, and hands. Shoulders, elbows, wrist, and hands. Good. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, and hand. 1, 2, 3, again. 1, 2, 3, again. 1, 2, 3, again. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Now, trying to make it a bit more flowy. While you're still doing those same movements, you're just making it a bit more flowy. Good. 2, 3, 4. Good. 2, 3, 4. Good. 2, 3, 4. Good. 1, 2. Good. Turn this way. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, finger. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, finger. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, fingers. Good. Very nice. Good. Now forward. That's it. Good. 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 Up. Up. Good. That's it. Good. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, and fingers. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, and fingers. Good. Good. Okay. Create the diamond. Yeah. Peel it and diamond. Actually, peel it close. 7 out. Peel it close. Diamond. Yeah. Peel and close. Diamond. Good. Peel and close. Diamond. Good. Peel and close. Diamond. Good. Peel and close. So you get faster. Da 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 da. Good. Da 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 da. Do da do da do da do da. Good. Do da do da. Good. Do da. So when we get here, shoulder, elbow, wrist, diamond, peel. 6, 7, out. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, diamond, peel. 6, 7, out. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, diamond, peel. 6, 7, out. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, diamond, peel. Very nice. So that's out wave. In wave, yeah, is fingers, diamond, yeah, elbow, shoulder. Yeah, so again, fingers, diamond, wrist, elbow, shoulder. 6, 7, out. Fingers, diamond, wrist, elbow, shoulder. Both hands at the same time. Yeah, so again we go up, good, down, elbow, shoulder. 6, 7, out. Up, diamond, wrist, elbow, shoulder. When you put that together in a flow, you get this. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Go the other way. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Good. So again, we're just trying to get that combination across the body. Alright, what I want you to do for me, yeah, I want you to, for now, find your shoulders for me, yeah, and I just want you just to roll them back. That's it. Find this sort of flow in your shoulders. Good. Roll them forward. Good. That's it. Good. Good. Lift them up. Drop them down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Good. Up. Down. Right. Stay here. Clap your hands. Come together. Right. This shoulder, just give me 4 counts of those directions. So whether it's up, around, yeah, just give me a 4 count, yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Other shoulder. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, depending on how you hear the music, it can be sharper, it can be smaller, softer, but 4, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 one side, 4 the other side. 5, 6, 7, and boom, 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 boom. Go again. Boom, 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 and again. Boom, 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 boom. Nice. All right. This hand, yeah, arm wave into your shoulder. Once it's in your shoulder, you play with it. After the 4 count, release. Yeah? So again, we're getting that energy into the shoulder. That's where the energy is. We're learning to show that this is where the energy is. How you can play and manipulate the shoulder. Now remember, it's your shoulder is the focus. You can still use everything else, but focus on your shoulder. Try that on both sides. Yeah? So I want to see a wave in. I want to see your shoulder move to help you move around, and a release. Yeah? Go.